Have you seen the cost of heating and cooling repairs? Yikes. Don't repair that AC or furnace until you watch this. I bet you're repairing your old unit because you think it'll save you money, right? Wrong. That's because you're thinking a new system will cost between $10,000 and $12,000. What you don't know is that you can buy a new furnace online for just over $800. A new AC, less than $1,100. And with prices this low, it's time to forget that repair and think about replacement instead. If your repair costs 50% or more than the cost of a new unit, get it replaced. With our online prices, that means any repair over $450 is a waste of money. Plus, you'll save on your monthly heating and cooling bills with a new, more efficient unit. So instead of asking, repair or replace, why not ask, save money or waste money? To save money, go to HVACdirect.com for more info.